There is good news for home and auto loan borrowers. Government has decided to infuse 14,000 crore rupees in PSU banks. Finance Ministry might also infuse additional funds in order to give boost to the consumer durables, auto and housing sector so that the lending of loans might become cheaper for the consumers. Recently, SBI and Punjab National Bank has slashed auto interest rates.
As far as we are concerned, we will infuse 14,000 crore and we will do it through the preferential mode of allotment that is permitted. Bank can allot preferential capital to the government, and there's a provision in the banking law. We did it last year and we will do it this year also.
Finance Ministry has said that the rising non-performing assets or NPAs are a matter of concern but will improve as the economy picks up. Non-performing assets are the loans where the borrower has failed to make interest or principal payments for 90 days. Chidambaram has urged that all PSU banks should set up separate verticals for recovery from written-off NPA accounts.
It's the large borrower. If you define a large borrower as 1 crore and more, that's where the bulk of the NPAs are coming. So we have told them that you have to keep a very close watch on these large accounts, and we have to recover the amount. Recoveries are taking place, but not as much as I would have liked recoveries to take place.
Chidambaram exuded confidence looking at the recovery in the economy and said that PSU banks will open 10,000 new bank branches.
The public sector banks will open 7,889 branches this year, and about 2,000 odd will be opened by the RRBs. So a total of 10,000 branches will be opened by our banks. And all of them have assured me that this target will be achieved. They will also open this year 34,668 on-site ATMs to fulfill the goal of every branch will have an ATM.
Looking at the downfall in GDP and IIP figures, analysts believe that capital infusion in the banks will create demand in the market and hence boost growth. Arun Sharma, DD News, New Delhi.